Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got this radio about a week ago. I don't know whether it's junk or gem. I got it when it was on sale for $6.99. Right now, as of this recording, it's on sale on Amazon for $5.99, 40% off. So it's even a better deal than when I got it. It's AM, FM, and shortwave. It comes in two models, the TG-88 and the TG-99. I only saw, when I purchased it on Amazon, the TG-88 because it's got the blue dial. I have the blue dial. What's misleading is in the picture here and in the picture on Amazon, the station indicator or the frequency indicator is nice and bright red. On mine, you can barely see it. It's right there. You can barely see it. So, no big deal. Now, does it say? Yes. The shortwave band is 5.9 to 18 megahertz. Not very fine tuning, so we have to play with it. The AM is 522 to 1670. Not quite US band, but it's analog tuning, so when I say analog tuning, it's analog dial. So we're going to try it out. Uses two AA batteries. And one thing I want to remind you is if you got a little radio like this, or even a bigger portable radio, and it uses regular batteries, and you're not going to use it for a while, take them out. Over the years, I've had number of radios destroyed because I forgot to take the batteries out, and they leaked all over the radio. So remember to do that if you're not going to use it for a long period of time. Okay, so there, let me show you the dial up close. Well, my camera was in focus. There we go. Over here, and it's not labeled on the side, it's labeled on the back. So we have the tuning knob, the volume knob, the band select here. On this side, we have, and I'm like, it doesn't say. Well, again, so it'll show up, it's on the back here. Come on, camera, you going to work with me or not? If I hold it still, it will. Oh well, trust me, this is on-off of the radio and a light and earbud jack. Telescopic antennas, maybe 12 inches, not any good for shortwave. There's the light right there. Not too bright, but it's something. There it is. It's something. Okay, let me turn that back off. Carrying strap. Kind of built in, so the only way to get rid of it, take it off, is probably to cut it. Okay. Oh, you can see my ceiling fan reflecting in off the radio. Power indicator right here. It's a little tiny red LED. So it's not rechargeable. Battery's not rechargeable. The clip, I love the fact that they have a clip. I wish they had a kickstand. Is removable. So you have to pull down on this and then slide, in which I can't do with my hands right now. And then this will slide off if you don't want the clip to be on the radio. Alrighty, let's just turn on and see if it works. On is over here. It's on medium wave right now. And like I say, it's really hard to see that dial, especially when the camera won't focus. There we go. Now you can see it good.
Had some money problems, and her pickup truck broke down. So her pickup truck.
And probably medium wave wants me to turn the radio this way. Yep. So I'll hold it that way and then I'll tune some more. Picks up plenty of stations. Plenty of volume. Oh yeah. Plenty of volume. And music. We don't want music. So anyway, the AM band works fine. The FM band, which is almost all music, so I don't want to play that. That works fine. As I indicated, the shortwave band, which is only 5.9 to 18 megahertz, you're not going to receive much on this little antenna. You're going to have to clip on at least 20-foot wire antenna. But it does receive shortwave. I did get one station this morning on shortwave. I believe it was out of Nashville, Tennessee. So it does receive shortwave. Now, I think this is a steal because if you drop this, you broke it, you're only out right now $6. So I think it's a gem. I don't think it's junk. I think it's a gem. It works fine. Why not get one? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.